Astronomy. Challenging questions, short answers. How many moons does Mars have? Answer: 2. Laika, the first living creature to orbit the Earth, was what type of animal? Answer: dog. During what phase of the Moon can a total visual eclipse of the Moon occur? Answer: full moon. During 1990 and 1991 the Magellan orbiter mapped the surface of Venus. What technique did it use? Answer: radar. Give me the name of the first artificial Earth satellite and the year in which it was launched. Answer: Sputnik 1957. A major component of the interstellar media consists of charged particles which have speeds close to that of light. What are these charged particles called? Answer: cosmic rays. After what geophysical occurrence might you see Bishop's ring around the Sun? Answer: volcanic eruption. Elliptical, spiral and irregular are classifications of what type of astronomical systems? Answer: galaxies. Algol, the demon star, is a binary star whose larger component revolves around and regularly eclipses the smaller, brighter star, causing periodic changes in brightness. The constellation that Algol is in is also noted for meteor showers that appear annually in August. Name the constellation. Answer: Perseus. First, identify by name the largest planet, then identify by name the brightest planet in our solar system. If they are the same, give only one name. Answer: Jupiter, largest, and Venus, brightest. A binary star system lends itself very well to a determination of the total mass of the binary star system. What two observables must be measured to make the total mass determination? Answer: 1. Separation of the two stars. 2. The star's period of revolution. Hercules is a constellation which is commonly viewed in the summer in North America. In which of the seasons is the constellation Pegasus normally viewed? Answer: autumn. How large of an angle is the tilt of the Earth's spin axis from the normal to the ecliptic plane? Answer: 23½ degrees. How many manned moon landings have there been? Answer: 6. How many of Jupiter's moons did Galileo see with his first telescope? Answer: 4. How many people have set foot on the Moon? Answer: 12. I am a type of star with a relatively low effective temperature, 3000 to 4000 kelvins, and have a large radius about 100 times that of the Sunday. What am I? Answer: red giant. I am one of two stars known as the pointers. My fellow star is Merak, Merak. Which star am I? Answer, Dubhe. If the diameter of a reflector's objective mirror is doubled, how many times as great is its light-gathering power? Answer, 4 times. In 1920, Albert Michelson measured the diameter of a star using a stellar interferometer. It was the first measurement of the diameter of any star other than the Sun. Identify the star. Answer, Betelgeuse. In the Copernican system, what is the shape of the planet's orbits? Answer, circle. In what year did Neil Armstrong make his historic walk on the Moon? Answer, 1969. Is a sunspot hotter, cooler, or about the same temperature as the region around it? Answer, cooler. Mercury's year lasts how many Mercury sidereal days? Answer, 1 1/2. Name the astronomer who discovered that Mars orbits the Sun in an elliptical orbit. Answer, Kepler. Name the Chicago area astronaut that drove the Lunar Rover during the Apollo 17 mission to the Moon. A space center is named after this astronaut at Triton College in River Grove. Answer, Eugene Cernan. Since you have watched this video until this point, you have definitely enjoyed watching it. Please click on the like button so to help reach this video to the other like-minded people. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot of interesting videos. Subscribe now by clicking the subscribe and the bell icon so you are informed about our latest video. Thank you. Name the English astronomer and professor at Cambridge University who determined the orbit of the then unknown planet Neptune. Answer, John C. Adams. Name the northern latitude constellation that is easily recognized by 5 bright stars forming an irregular W, some observers seeing not only a W but also a chair. One of the brightest novae on record appeared in this constellation in 1572. Answer, Cassiopeia. Name the outer boundary of the Sun's magnetic field. Answer, Heliopause. Name the 2 constellations that make up the famous Great Square of Pegasus. Answer, Pegasus, Andromeda. Name the type of variable star which is a red dwarf star and shows rapid and irregular changes in light. Answer, flare star. Neptune is closest in size to which planet? Answer, Uranus. Of the 8 known planets, 6 have 1 or more natural satellites. Name the only 2 moonless planets. Answer: Venus and Mercury. On one of the moon landings, astronauts left an object on the moon. Scientists periodically bounce a laser beam off of this object to measure the distance between the Earth and the moon. What is this object? Answer: mirror. On what planet does a year last only 88 days? Answer: Mercury. On which day of the year does the summer solstice usually occur? Answer: June 21st. One of the largest volcanoes in our solar system, if not the largest, is named Olympus Mons. Name the planet which has the volcano. Answer: Mars. Only one planet in the solar system has a day which lasts longer than its year. Name this planet. Answer: Venus. Penzias and Wilson made what famous discovery which supported the idea that the universe was created by a Big Bang? Answer: background radiation resulting from the Big Bang or primordial fireball radiation or 3K radiation. Phobos and Deimos are moons that orbit which planet? Answer: Mars. Sirius was identified as a binary star long before its small companion was seen. What kind of star is the small companion of this binary system? Answer: white dwarf. State the common name given to the group of stars also known as Crux Australis. Answer: Southern Cross. Superbubbles and chimneys are both galactic structures theorized to result from what explosive phenomena? Answer: supernovas or novas. Technically, the reflecting power of an object is defined as the ratio of the radiation reflected from an object to the total amount incident upon the object. What term is used in astronomy to indicate the reflecting power of an object? Answer: albedo. The asteroid belt is between the orbits of which two planets? Answer: Mars and Jupiter. The brightest star in this constellation is Aldebaran. In which constellation can this star be found? Answer: Taurus. The brightest star in this constellation is Vega. In which constellation can Vega be found? Answer: Lyra. The decreasing pitch of the siren of a receding locomotive has what analog in astronomy? Answer: redshift. The diameter of the disk of our galaxy, within a factor of 2, is how many light years? Answer: 100,000 light years, except 50,000 to 200,000. The Earth's motion around the Sun causes relatively nearby stars to shift against the background of the more distant fixed stars. What term is used to describe this phenomenon? Answer: parallax. The English nickname for this constellation is the Chained Maiden. Give me the astronomer's name for this constellation. Answer: Andromeda. The extraterrestrial impact hypothesis of dinosaur extinction is based on finding anomalously high concentrations of a certain element at the geological boundary between the Cretaceous and Tertiary periods. What is the name of this element which was found? Answer: iridium. The largest circular storm in our solar system is on the surface of which planet? Answer: Jupiter. The law that says that all planets orbit the Sun in elliptical orbits is which of Kepler's 3 laws? Answer: first. The Orion Nebula is a good example of what kind of nebula? Answer: emission nebula. The planet Neptune was found by studying the deviations in another planet's orbit. Name the other planet discovered in this fashion. Answer: Uranus. The rapidly moving stream of charged particles that is being driven away from the Sun is known as? Answer: solar wind. The stars Castor and Pollux are the 2 brightest stars of what constellation? Answer: Gemini, Gemini the twins. The Swan is the English name for this constellation. Give me the Latin name by which this constellation is known. Answer: Cygnus. The term parsec, a unit of measure for interstellar space, is a contraction of what 2 words? Answer: parallax second. The 2 main radiation belts that surround the Earth are known by what name? Answer: Van Allen belts. This allotrope of oxygen is formed in the upper atmosphere by the action of ultraviolet radiation from the Sun. Name it. Answer: ozone. This is a question for you budding young astronomers. What is the sidereal period of the Moon? Answer: 27 1/3 days. To within 5% what fraction, by mass, of the observable matter in our universe is helium? Answer: 24%, accept answers between 19% and 29%. Triton, Neptune's moon, has an ocean made of a liquid. What is this liquid? Answer: nitrogen. True/false, canals have been photographed on Mars by recent space probes. Answer: false. True/false, Newton taught that the natural state of motion of a body is one of uniform motion in a circular path. Answer: false, uniform motion in a straight line. True/false, the Moon is denser than the Earth. Answer: false. What are cool areas on the surface of the Sun called? Answer: sunspots. What are Callisto and Ganymede? Answer: two of Jupiter's moons. What are Schmidt, Cassegrainian, and Galilean examples of? Answer: telescopes. What are the Geminids, the Perseids, and the Leonids? Answer: meteor showers. What are the two bright spots of light on opposite sides of a halo around the Sun called? Answer: sun dogs. What astronomical event made the headlines in 1986? Answer: Halley's Comet. What belts are composed of charged particles surrounding the Earth? Answer: Van Allen belts. What celestial body is known for its 11-year cycle? Answer: Sun. What device first proved that Earth rotates on its axis? Answer: Foucault pendulum. What distinction is Sally K. Ride known for? Answer: first American woman in space. What do the two stars at the end of the cup in the Big Dipper point to? Answer: Polaris or the North Star. What do we call the path in the sky that the Sun appears to traverse over the course of a year? Answer: ecliptic. What feature do only Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus have in common? Answer: rings. What gas is the main component of the atmosphere of Mars? Answer: carbon dioxide. What happens to a collapsed star that is too massive to be supported by neutron pressure? Answer: it forms a black hole. What is formed when a massive star, after reaching supergiant status, explodes? Answer: a supernova or type II supernova or neutron star or black hole. What is the collection of small rocky bodies, otherwise known as minor planets, 99.8% of whose orbits lie between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter? Answer: asteroids. What is the definition of one astronomical unit? Answer: it is the distance from the Sun to the Earth. What is the heavenly body Charon? Answer: Pluto's moon. What is the last planet Voyager 2 visited? Answer: Neptune. What is the Latin name for the lunar seas? Answer: Maria. What is the more common name for the aurora borealis? Answer: Northern Lights. What is the name given to the configuration when three celestial bodies are in a line? Answer: syzygy. What is the name given to very bright meteors or bolides? Answer: fireballs. What is the name of an important galactic cluster of stars in the Milky Way and commonly known as the Seven Sisters? Answer: Pleiades. What is the name of the class that the Andromeda Galaxy belongs to? Answer: spiral. What is the name of the star closest to our Sun? Answer: Proxima Centauri. What is the name of the star that is the brightest in the sky? Answer: Sirius. What is the point at which the orbit of Mercury comes closest to the Sun called? Answer: its perihelion. What is the principal source of a young star's energy? Answer: fusion of hydrogen to helium. What is the source of energy in a supernova explosion? Name or describe the force. Answer: gravitation, gravitational collapse. What is the star nearest to the Sun? Answer: Alpha Centauri or Proxima Centauri. What is the term applied to the dark, relatively smooth lunar plains whose name is derived from the Latin for sea? Answer: mare, singular, or Maria, plural. What is the type of reflecting telescope in which the light focused by the primary mirror is intercepted short of focal point and refocused by a secondary mirror through a hole in the center of the primary mirror? Answer: Cassegrain or Cassegrainian. What is the Vostok 1? Answer: the first manned spacecraft. What name is given to the situation where the Sun crosses the celestial equator around March 21? Answer: vernal equinox. What name was given to the series of two-man U.S. space missions undertaken in the mid-1960s? Answer: Gemini. What one property besides the temperature does the luminosity of a star depend upon? Answer: the star's area or diameter. What planet comes closest to the Earth? Answer: Mars. What was most significant about the Apollo 11 flight? Answer: It was the first manned landing on the Moon. What was the year of the first lunar landing by man? Answer: 1969. When could you see Baily's beads? Answer: during a total solar eclipse. When the Earth is farthest from the Sun, what season is it in the Northern Hemisphere? Answer: summer. Where in space is Cassini's division? Answer: between two rings of Saturn. Where is the Great Red Spot? Answer: Jupiter. Which is the only moon in the solar system with a substantial atmosphere? Answer: Saturn's Titan. Which Jovian planet rotates slower than the Earth? Answer: none. Which planet has the shortest year? Answer: Mercury. Which planet is the Earth's twin size-wise? Answer: Venus. Which planet is usually the brightest in the sky? Answer: Venus. Which planets are never visible at midnight? Answer: Mercury and Venus. Which planets can never be in opposite direction from the Sun in Earth's sky? Answer: Venus and Mercury. Which three planets have moons larger than Mercury? Answer: Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune. Which unlucky Apollo lunar landing was cancelled after an oxygen tank exploded? Answer: Apollo 13. Who was the first Black American astronaut in space? Answer: Guion S. Bluford. Who was the first individual to observe the phases of Venus? He observed Venus phases with a telescope that he had built. Answer: Galileo. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot of interesting videos. Subscribe now by clicking the subscribe and the bell icon so you are informed about our latest video. Please feel free to share this video on Facebook, WhatsApp and other social networks. Thank you.